How to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can send view once photos on Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Messenger application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, you have to open up the chat where you want to send the one-time view pictures. For example, I have this chat right here. After that, tap on the image icon from the bottom of this chat piece. Now from your device, you have to select the image that you want to send. Tap on it. Now tap on edit button from the bottom left corner. Once you land on the edit page, as you navigate at the bottom of this interface, there is this timer icon. From there, tap once and it's gonna say view once. Once you have set your image to view once, now you can send this image as one-time view pictures on Messenger. And in this way, you can send one-time view pictures. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.